Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. I'm with the Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Thank you, Brendan. We're still saving the world here, one trailer at a time. But the point of this video is we just had our Jayco Open House, June 7th, 8th, and 9th. Our first ever Jayco Open House.
First ever open house.
Period. It was a great success. We had like a nice tent set up here. We had all the Jaycos kind of arranged up at the front of the lot to make that easy for people to check out some great deals. Some deals got done. Happy about the weekend. What was your favorite part of the weekend, Brendan?
My favorite part was the food truck. And then it was cool not only for us to get free food whenever we wanted to, but for customers to be able to look through some things, kind of sit down, have a meal, discuss what they saw, and then make a decision from there. And, it was cool.
I had a couple ladies in my office. They were thinking about this trailer, and then they mentioned poutine, so I ran out, got them a set of poutines.
There we go.
And it was, I think the amount of trailers we would sell
would go up a lot if we had poutine.
If we always had poutine available. I had 4 schnitzels, like chicken schnitzel sandwiches.
They were
myself.
Very good.
They were very, very good. But yeah, so we had a draw or a giveaway. If you were here at the open house, you could put your name in this ballot box, and we're gonna pull for certain prizes. We've got a few here. First off, we've got a Coleman, not a refrigerator, that's a Coleman cooler, 50 quarts. 84 cans, I assume those are short cans. We're also giving away a backup camera by Furrion, 4.3-inch screen, and then the
big prize.
Yeah, I'm surprised this table is carrying that, actually, Brendan.
It's heavy, I carried it.
Did you lift that up there?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, I hope you use your knees. That's a 4,500 watt Onan generator. Pretty sweet machine. We sell those there in our store as well, so if you're interested in something like that, check us out. But, and then one bonus giveaway at the end.
Yes.
Okay.
Stay tuned for that.
We'll stay tuned for that. So I think you should pull first, Brendan.
Yep.
So let me just kind of shake this up the best I can. Okay. Now I know you have a few favorite customers, Brendan. So I'll ask you to just maybe close your eyes as you reach in there. Okay.
So this is for the Coleman cooler.
Thank you, Brendan. Good call.
Fold it up nicely.
Yep. Good.
Greg Bentley. I actually sold him a trailer.
Sweet.
That's awesome. Right cool. On. Well, Greg, you got the cooler. That's fantastic.
Yeah, and I guess we'll we have contact information there, so we'll reach out to you if you don't see the video, or we may not and just put it in our house.
Keep the cooler. Thanks, Greg. Yeah.
Right on.
Cool. Okay, so now Josh will do for the Furrion camera.
Where am I here?
Here.
Okay. I'm going deep. Okay. Okay, so less good of a fold.
No, yeah, Greg, you folded a lot nicer.
Yeah, so we're gonna go with, ooh, it's cursive writing.
Cursive.
So we got John Sigmac. Jigmac?
I think that's a G. Jigmac.
It's very like what he missed in the fold, he met in the
fantastic penmanship.
Yeah, so we'll call you John, but you won the 4.3-inch screen Furrion backup camera. So pretty slick stuff there, John. We will be reaching out to you here shortly. And sorry if I mispronounced your name.
And last but not least,
yeah, I'll hold it for you, Brendan. I think is only fair.
Sure. Generator.
We're going for the generator. Yeah.
That's a lot of names in here. Thank you, everyone, for coming out.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm closing my eyes.
Well, I'm not looking away. Okay. I'd say Amy Chapman.
Let me take a look.
Thanks, all right.
Amy Chapman. We'll be calling you Amy. You'll be right powered up with this 4,500 watt Onan generator. Thank you, everybody, for coming out.
Thank you.
So the bonus giveaway, and they were pretty fired up when they heard about this.
They're excited about it.
They're excited about it. We have 2 eligible bachelors.
Not us.
Not us. We are both happily married and taken with multiple children. But William Kennedy, Cornell Geyser, we're going to put them up for auction for a single date.
Yep, we can draw them out of here later on. Leave a comment if you want to be a part of that.
Yeah,
we can add some more names.
For sure, we add some more names. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Leave us a comment. Have yourself a good day. Please hit the likes button, subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And we'll see you next year at our next open house.